Hello friend, this is R.A.J. Welcome back to my channel and today is my off day. Yay! So today is my off day. My planning to do laundry, and before go to the laundry, let's eat breakfast. So let's make it first. So guys, I am ready to go. This is the laundry bag. Today I'm going to wash. So let's go for washing. So before go to outside, have to wear the mask. This is compulsory due to this COVID-19 season. And Malaysia still lockdown is extended until 28. So it's really bad. I can now go further places to show you. So let's go out. So guys, it's 11 o'clock and it's really sunny day. The sun is so high, so hot day. Still 11 o'clock, but you can see the cloud view. So nice. Oh. So this is the park near to my condo. You can see the cloud is so nice and sunny. So let's see the view. So nice cloud. So twice a week or I wash my cloth. So it's quite big bag to wash. The laundry is near to 5-minute walk. Yeah. So I go and show you how I do it. As you can see around my condo. So sunny day. So guys, I'm near. Just need to cross this road. So you can see self-service laundry 24 hours. So in Malaysia they call it dobby. So I'm going there to wash it, laundry my cloth. So friend, I'm reached already here. You can see. So here I'm going to wash. So wait. So put the cloth inside the machine. Close the door. Then here we can refill the detergent. So according to your cloth, put the detergent here. So my cloth is lot. I think this is enough. Put it back. To make it start, we need to put the coin here, token. That will, and we need 4 coins. So let's take the coin from the coin machine. So insert the money inside here like this. And coin is come here. Again, put the money. Collect your coin. So you see there, it's laundry coin. Then need to insert here 2, 3. So they are asking for doors. Now start water. So it will take 23 minutes to wash. So wait for 23 minutes. So guys, will take 23 minutes. So let's go buy some stuff to eat for my lunch. Yeah, you can see the market is big. So friend, I see this shop here and I'm going to try coconut water. So guys, guys, I buy my lunch and banana, but I still have 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes more, then I can take out. So guys, this is really hot day and I am going to enjoy my coconut water. It's very healthy. Usually I drink this when I am go out. It's nice. So healthy. Yeah. My laundry is done, so I am going to work. Hope you like it. So keep subscribe, like and share my video and keep supporting guys. Thank you for watching.